Hello Internet. I have here a Win 3-speed air filtration system. This one's going to be the model 3410. And the way I've done this, I've mounted these 2x8s to the ceiling. It's overkill, I know, but I had the boards laying around. So I've mounted these with 3 large lag screws. Again, overkill, but I had them. Into the ceiling joists, and I'm going to use that to support this air filter system. This system is not very heavy, so it really doesn't need all this, but figure if you got the bolts, you got the wood, may as well use them. Safety first. All right, I'm just going to get this thing roughly in place up there, and I'll figure out where exactly it's going to go later. Okay. Trying to decide how I want to orient the airflow. I think I'm going to blow it that way for now. Things are pretty easy install. Wouldn't hurt to have another person here. The one thing that I think these guys could have done a little bit better was their spacing of the bolts on this unit. On the top here, they won't line up with any of your standard excuse me, I'm winded, standard ceiling joists. I mean, as you can see, these are the closest joists I've got here, and it's nowhere close to lining up with the bolts they put in here. So you really do have to put something on your ceiling to attach this to, which I don't think is the way they should have done this. They should have done it at least a 16-inch spacing on here, if not 24 inches. But anyway, that's about all there is to it. I'll level it out later. You all don't want to see that part of the process. I'm sure you can figure that one out. Get this baby plugged in over here. See if I can fall on camera. Okay, got her plugged in. Get that cord up out of the way later. And let's see how she works. If she works, I haven't tested it yet. You'll see it when I see it. That sounds pretty good. As I recall, this one moves about 3,400 cubic foot. I believe that's what the 3410 in the model number goes to. That's pretty quiet. That's quieter than any piece of equipment I have in here. That puts out quite a healthy amount of air, so you're gonna blow a lot of air through there. I suppose if you wanted to, you could aim this at your most common workspace and blow clean air as a way to cool yourself off, as well as put clean air towards you. That's about all I got for you, though. It only took a few minutes to get that installed, and I think I'm gonna like this unit. And it was cheap. I'll try to put a link below. Filters aren't too expensive, and the unit itself looks pretty good. I've seen a lot of good reviews on it. I don't think it's going to give me any trouble. All right, thanks for watching. Well, that's actually a new feature. I didn't even see that one. I thought I was turning the video off. So you've got a timer feature on here, where you can set the time to either 1 hour, 2 hours, or 4 hours, which is a feature I'm going to use a lot, because there are a lot of times where I might sand a lot of, sand a lot of whatever you're sanding. You're going to make a lot of dust, and if I can leave the shop and leave this thing on for a couple hours to clean the air out, that's a feature that's going to get used a lot. Okay, thanks for watching. If this video is at all helpful to you, I would certainly appreciate a like and subscribe if you'd like to see future videos. And if you want to be alerted when our new videos come out, hit that little bell icon and you'll be the first to know as soon as new videos come out. Thanks again.